I should never get.
She put a thing down.
Y'all. Ouch. We are on a journey today. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel. It's the D Girls. Hey. We have a very eventful, I'm not gonna call it busy, very eventful Saturday. It's January 31st, 2026. We are headed to Wisconsin.
For Shadon's birthday.
For Shadon's birthday, so that we can go tubing. We are all geared up.
I got a wedgie,
a big one. We are all geared up with our equipment. And then afterwards, we have a day party in Chicago. So we got to come back from Wisconsin to Chicago to make their day party, which means we have to carry our outside clothes with us. And then we have the after party. So, yeah.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be a great day. But
I will drive it back. You can drive there. I feel it now. I do need to go use the bathroom.
You know when you tell children, go make yourself use the bathroom before...
First of all, let me show y'all how many layers I got on. I'm going to do this real quick.
When you tell a child to go make themselves use the bathroom before we get on this road, and they say, I ain't got to go. I told her 15 minutes ago, she said, I can't do it. And now she got 2 onesies on, a turtleneck, and yeah, I used the bathroom 3 times already. We got all the things. I am just prepared to go. I got my glasses, my contacts, my everything packed. I'm going to put my sunglasses on so I can see while I'm driving and the sun won't blind me.
It wasn't that bad to take this off.
Cool. She said it wasn't that bad to take it off. I got on a unit that can be okay in the snow, and I got an extra unit in my bag, and I got an extra coat for when we come home after the party, because it's gonna be cold. No, but I'm bringing an extra coat because the coat that I got is cold. It's not a winter coat. It's more like a fall jacket because we gotta wear all black, and I don't have no all black winter coat. Nevertheless, we about to hop on the road right now. I'm going to do a full video, but I'm on this anti-inflammatory diet until mid-February, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to eat during this. I had some breakfast earlier. We're going to see how the things flow. At the end of the day, we're going outside. So we're going to catch y'all when we catch y'all outside in the road. We're going to check.
Two hours and 17 minutes later.
Well, that's where we're going. I mean, it better be some snow on there. I can't see snow. Okay. I don't know how they got snow in the streets when they ain't got no. Okay, I see you. Sorry. I can't eat. Excited?
Wait 1 second, please. My mouth is dry.
That's what I'm here for.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep my ID right.
Definitely should put some aquaphor on before, but whatever. Sometimes I have expectations for things in my head, and it's always to the extreme that when I arrive and it's not that, I'll be like, great. Because the way that I was gonna have to buy $50 snow pants to do this, I didn't have to do that. Dania found me some nice pants at the thrift store for $5. Great. Mm-hmm. It's not freezing. I lost the glove. I only got 1 glove. I don't even think I'm gonna bring my gloves out. So we shall see. But we arrived, and baby, that little 2 hours and 15 minutes. Ain't no joke. That wasn't no joke. I need to stretch my back out. But nevertheless, we are here, and the party van with all the rest of the passengers are an hour behind us. So me and Dania's gonna go ahead and get this party started before them because we actually have to go. I just tucked all my hair in. I don't got time to play no games, but check her out. Shorty fly. She flies. Yeah. Okay, Michael. All right, so we about to get on those. Are these called slopes? They not slopes. The slopes are right here for the people that's actually skiing. We're going to be doing the tubes with the children. And the hills aren't that high, which is great, because no. All right.
This is our access, so we gotta make sure it's attached to some part of us.
Yep. We got until 5:30.
We're leaving around like 4:30. We gotta make it back to the city no later than 7. The party is over at 8, so we're about to have some fun. Let's do this.
Dania gave me some gloves. She had extra gloves and decided to tell me at the last minute, but we have arrived, and look at the ski people. They having a blast over there. She talking about some, she want to do that.
Yep. Yeah. Now, what color tube you about to get? Come on, let's go. Okay, so let's follow the rules of tubing. You ready?
Yeah, my mouth cold. I need a full shiesty.
That's what I need. What they got. All right. Have fun. Be safe. Must remain standing while riding up the converter lift. No walking up the hill. Only one rider per tube. Make sure your lane is empty before proceeding down the hill. Always walk to the end of the lane. Immediately clear towards. Okay.
Oh, we have to go back and get our scarves.
It's cold. It feels good in the sun to not have a scarf, but once you get up there, it's cold. So now we're gonna get our tubes. She's gonna get red, I already know.
Sure, lady in red. I like that yellow one too, though.
I got my tube.
Got my tube. Tubes, check.
We got our tubes.
Tubes.
This is happening. Whoa! At least that's what's up. We don't gotta think about walking. Oh, Deanna.
We're at the airport, the outside airport. So, we got a tight corner. Too
I'm
bad.
excited.
We in Aspen, y'all.
Oh yeah, that scary. Oh my god,
That was just a lot.
that was too much.
Okay.
Terrified in the middle, not gonna lie.
I ain't even gonna lie. I was like, I should never did this.
Ooh, I knew I should never did it, but I'm so happy I did. This was fun. I knew I effed up. I knew I effed up when my feet went to the side curve, and I said, "Oh, if I don't lift my feet up, this is not gonna end well."
I was like, you ain't hear me? I'm calling your name. All I'm doing is screaming your name. Oh, that was.
You went down the slope first. You went down the hill first, and instantly it's like it goes super fast, super quick.
I said, I think I'm going too fast. I don't think this is normal.
Yes.
I said, I think I'm going
Oh
to fly
my
off.
god!
Oh my
I
goodness.
screamed, and I think that's
That
why
was
people
really
like
good,
roller
though.
coasters.
Yeah, that was it was a really good
I'm
scream.
about to actually go do it again and let out some more screams.
Yeah, because that was.
We want to do the next one together?
No, we need to do the next one by ourselves, but we can capture it.
Okay. I don't know how we finna capture going
I ain't
down.
gonna lie, but I'm gonna hold it tight. That's all that matters.
We about to do it again, but I don't rock with roller coasters. This is a roller coaster. Let's do it again. We chasing fears all 2026 and beyond.
And I mean, oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was a lot. But I love these snow pants. Thing. Round 2. All right, you ready? All right, we at the top again. It's round 2.
We finna do it.
I'm about to put this scarf on and we finna get it. Okay, let's go ahead and. I'm scared again. Okay. All right, I'm down. Okay. I gotta hold my phone with 2 hands.
Okay, you not having no glove on. Okay.
Yeah, I got this new phone. I gotta make sure I'm gripping this joint. Okay. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh, I'm not ready yet. I'm trapped. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Oh God. Ooh.
Okay,
You ready?
Together.
Okay.
You in there?
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay. It's the van coming in right now.
That's them. Let's go. We gonna meet them down there. Okay.
Oh, wait. Ooh. I gotta double this up.
Let's go. Now that I'm with you, I don't have to scooch. Okay, it's not. Hey, Ludo. Hey, Ludo.
Hey. All right, it's finally Sedone here.
Sweet Kid Sue, y'all. Sweet, there it is. Hey. Hey, we outside.
Put that skin up.
You know, cuteness to kill you, but that.
Actually, be careful on this thing, too. Sedone. She finally made it.
Finally.
This
Yo,
round 4.
I've had it there.
Honestly. I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go. What's up? If I look unfinished, it's because I am. If I look undone, it's because I am undone. I gotta do my lip liner, but we pissed off. We dummies. It is what it is. Yeah. So we're gonna get back on the road so we can make the party the first one. Yeah, it is what it is. Me without lip liner is actually it's a lie, but I'm be done up soon. Y'all, we made it back to Chicago. It's 7:02. The party ends at 8, and we are about 12 minutes away. She's doing her mascara while she drives, and she's gonna pass the mascara this way. But we are all almost there. We're almost there. But yes, we are en route. Almost there. Catch y'all later. Parking, y'all. Now, I don't see no parking sign. It's just on the corner, so. But it ain't like in the walkway, so we cool. But yeah, we finna go in here really quickly. What you gonna do with this sleeve? She got detachable sleeves, but she only got one right now. We made it. Almost. It's cold.
I know it's an all black party. I'm gonna hold my white and black coat in my hand. I ain't getting sick for nobody.
For sure. When we get out the street.
You family, I love y'all to death. Some of y'all know the shine after college, but I love y'all to death too. I really appreciate everyone that's coming out tonight.
a pit stop and then to the third spot.
The fourth spot, then the fifth spot.
Oh, we gotta pick somebody up.
Yeah! Go ahead. Shout out to Shy Anthony. Proud of you. Happy birthday to you. Big Aquarius. Big boss in the building. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Literally. Like, that's how you make a life for yourself, a name for yourself. Well, your name, putting more things onto your name. Like, inspirational. I want to grow up and be just like Shy Anthony. Deanna is busting fits.
Y'all ain't seen.
She's acting up.
With a little pop of a leopard.
Yeah, with a little pop
Let me get a
of.
little picture right here.
Okay.
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go in, you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go in, you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's callin'.
Ballin' on the court, tell him swish. Back to back, making plays, throwing fits. She an angel on the court, got him sick. Alley oop on the track, got him asking who is this. Think a nigga running back, I can't play, I call it quits. Woodrow Wilson on the bill, got that money, he gon' trick. Bad boy, got act hard, running laps, got him quick. You know I need that money, I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. I'm just tryna go legit. Bad boy, got act hard. I'm just tryna go legit. Back to back.
And that, my friend, was a Saturday in the house. Back, safe and sound. It's 2:30 in the morning. We've made it. We're here to say goodnight. We made it home. Thank you for spending Saturday with us. Happy birthday, Shadone. Good night.
Happy birthday, Shy Anthony.
Happy birthday, Cheyenne and Shadone.